It's me, Mario, in my first movie with Nintendo Mario 100. Today, we're gonna head upstairs to see my sleep officer, my best friend. Very long journey. This might take a while. Stick pissed. Sleepy beat one girl. Boing? Mary. Hi, Myers.
You want some crack? No. Want some to test me here? Do you want some?
No. What was reading me off of those?
Oh, okay.
See you guys later.
See ya, Mario.
I forgot to switch on the lights. Hi, bitch. Boing?
Honey, what are you doing?
It's getting quite dark. Please, penguin. Please, penguin. Why are you sleeping? I'm not sheep. There are two people outside. Smoking pot. Crack, I can't remember. Two people smoking pot or crack. I really can't remember. No one smokes crack in my lifetime. Okay, do you want me to show you? I know where the crack hole is. We stopped there many times. Do you have any other theories about the crack pots?
No, not really.
Bit sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you really like pie? Stupid question, but yes. Fish pie? Stupid question, yes. I'm gonna go and find my best mate. I saw him in the bathroom. Okay. Boing? 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 Whee! No one seems to be in here. apart from me. I'll check the bedroom. Switch of this. Switch of that. Where the hell can they be? Let's try this room. I'll try up here. Come on. I wonder who's up here? Oh my gosh! What is that thing? Get it! What? I This monster has me. I wonder what you mean. I'll call Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Yeah? I don't know pizza. Mario. I give him some help. This is one Crabbo. Crabbo! The stuff that kills Super Mario Logan's Shrimpos! Thank you. Thanks for saving me. No sweat. You could face two in front of me. No sweat. I just do this on a regular basis. Do you? Want to join me for grass and some milk? Nah, I just had some leaf. Okay. See you? Okay. I'm gonna see if the Crocottes have gotten arrested yet. Our bear seems to be the prison. Yes. I know. No. Holy crap, that thing's still there. Let's kill it. Yeah, we had to. Yeah, it's still a living creature. Okay. You still don't want to join me for milk and a croissant? Sure. No thanks. Whee! Oh, that hurt. Come on. Come on, let's get going. See what the crack boss is doing. I'm in jail. Let's see if they're still there. You still there? Are you still there?